Hello, my name is Claire, and this is my Body Systems Teach 1 for the HAPS 464 course. So first, the purpose of this assignment is to see how the body systems affect the scoring of the prognoses, and the goal that we are trying to do with the code today is to show the predictions of the odds of mortality using the diseases in the body systems. So the first thing that you'll have to do is download the data into a flat file. You can see the highlighted download here. This is what you click to download the data, but you will have to download it as a flat file as we did in the beginning of the class. I believe it was like the first assignment where you want to use tasks and add the data. But if you have any other questions, I'd recommend reaching out to me. I can definitely show you how to do this. Next, we're going to use the Wikipedia link that was provided in the course content. These are the ICD-9 codes that for each categories, and this is what we will be inputting later in the code. So this is the first part of the code. We will be converting the data to float, and so you should be receiving the over 17 million rows affected for this. For the next part of the code, it will be easier if you open Excel and you insert the codes that you found on the Wikipedia page from I001 all the way down to, let's say about 199 for the first one. In the second column, use this highlighted equals concat, double parentheses, open parentheses, double quote, single quote, double quote, comma, the A1 as in the previous column, double quote, single quote, comma, double quote, parentheses, and this will help it be easier to input all the ICD-9 codes onto your code. So this is an example of how we transferred the ICD-9 codes that were in the Excel code onto here. First you want to select star and then comma, the if, IIF, open parentheses, body in, open parentheses, and then add all of the codes, the ICD-9 codes that were in your Excel. And then you want to end it with the close parentheses, comma, LR for your likelihood ratio, comma, 1, close parentheses, and then as infectious. And you'll just keep repeating this for all the body system diseases that there are on the Wikipedia page. So this is just a continued example of how after the infectious diseases was done, this is the next one for neoplasms. As you can see, all the ICD-9 codes are on here, and it's the same format, just under a different body system disease. And so this is the code that we use for the V codes. It's different from the other body system diseases, but it's the same format. You'll just have to write the one highlighted in red for the code. So after you get all the ICD-9 codes on there, you'll end it with the into hashtag body system from hashtag data and just put it into a temporary body system. So the next part of the code, you will actually have to take the max value for each infection, and it's the same format. You'll have to keep repeating it. You'll have to start with the select ID, comma, and then you write the max, and then open parentheses, infectious, close parentheses, and then star, and then max, next body system, and you'll just keep repeating that, and then put it into a temporary body systems 2, and then you want to group by ID in the end. And so after you finish all that, the last code is to get the predictions. It'll be select star from the hashtag body systems 2 that you just made, and then order by the predicted descending. So this is the final chart that you should get once you run it. You'll see the predicted values and the IDs. So that's about it for this assignment. You can always reach out to me if you have any other questions. I will be able to try to help you throughout it. It may be a little time lengthy, so I'd recommend having a sufficient time to do this. Thank you for watching my Teach 1.